Hi, Frank Rose here at Silver Spring Marina, MarineMax, Wakefield, Rhode Island. Here to show you this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Sea Ray SPX 21. This is a 21 footer. Now this has the 250 horse, 4.5 liter Merc Cruiser. You have storage over here. Keep your fenders, life vests, whatever you'd like. More storage underneath the seats. You have a cooler here with a drain that you can use. Insulated box. Stainless steel drink holders. There is sea deck across the whole swim platform with a swim ladder. This has the wakeboard tower with the high ski tow for the wakeboarders. It has a bucket seat. Over here, this is either a seat or you can use it as a port lounger as it's set up right now. You have a full dash with instrumentation, your gauges. You have a depth finder gauge here as well. Bluetooth stereo. All your switches right here. The tilt steering wheel. And of course, seating in the bow. This boat does have full covers, has cockpit cover, and as you can see already, the tonneau cover. This is a great boat. It only has 122 hours on it. If you're interested in this boat, give me a call. My name is Frank Rose. My number is 210-630-3041. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.